This is an artist named Romero Britto, and he is from Brazil. Let's take a look at some of his artwork. As you can see, he uses thick black outlines in his images. Then he kind of divides the images into sections, and each individual section is just filled with really, really bright colors and lots of pattern. All right, so since we have St. Patrick's Day coming up this week, we are going to be making a Romero Britto inspired shamrock. You're gonna need some paper, some markers, and some crayons, and that is all. It doesn't even really matter what kind of paper. This is just regular old copy paper. So I'm gonna show you how to make a shamrock. First thing you do is fold your paper into quarters. That means into 4 pieces. So I've got a line that goes across and a line that goes across the other direction. Then you're gonna use a black marker. Remember when we were looking at artworks by Romero Britto, we noticed that he uses lots of really thick black outlines for his images. So I'm gonna put a dot right there in the center of my paper. And then I'm gonna go about 2 fingers from the top of all of these sides and put another dot. Easy, right? Okay, so this is the fun part. Where that dot is, I'm gonna make half a heart and then make another half a heart and bring it all the way down to the middle. Half a heart, until I have done that on all 4 sides. And there's my shamrock. And if you want to, you can add like a little shamrock stem somewhere, totally optional. The other thing we notice about Romero Britto is that he uses like black lines to kind of divide his work into sections. And we can do that however y'all want to. Be totally creative. And then we're gonna, each one of these sections that we created is going to have a different pattern with these really bright colors. So for instance, maybe this section right here, I'm gonna have polka dots. Maybe this section here in my negative space, I want it to have kind of like these little radiating lines that kind of come out from that section of the shamrock. Keep going until you fill up all of these sections with pattern, and then have fun coloring it in. That's all.